Hey everybody, it's Kim Hawk and I am known as YouTube's fairy godmother of real estate, and I'm here in the near Disney YouTube studio, which is located in the town that Disney built. It's called Celebration, Florida. And today I want to dedicate a show to my mom. She passed away on Sunday of this week. And so what I thought I would do with my YouTube crew is to put together a package where Mom always said, you know, honey, you should be talking about the properties that you're listing. And as many of you know, I do a top 4 show many times, and I'll look through Central Florida because my Realtor Dream Team and I, we do, we know our stuff in that 25-mile radius around Cinderella's castle. But today I want to dedicate the show to my mom and to follow her wish. So I'm going to do a bibbidi-bobbidi-boo wish and talk about my 4 top properties that I've got in Celebration that I've listed and tell you why. And so here we go. All right, so on our first property, what you're going to see is this is an estate in the town that Disney built. And so a lot of times people that are looking for high-end estates might be thinking, oh, I need to go to Disney's Golden Oak. And yes, they have beautiful properties there, but look what we're finding here in Celebration. This house is at 312 Acadia. It looks like a French cool little castle, and it's on one of my favorite lots. There's even like a hidden wine cellar for you. You know, look at the office area. There's a bathroom that goes to that office as well. Beautiful family room that has views of the golf course that sits right off of this incredible kitchen. And these people that own the home presently, they are restaurateurs, so they know what they're doing, and they have super high-end appliances. And the backsplashes are exquisite. In the town that Disney built, it overlooks the golf course and it has water views and conservation. Look at that view. Gosh, I love it. In Celebration on the Acadias. Beautiful family room that has views of the golf course. I mean, it just looks like it belongs in one of the magazines right now. And then your primary bedroom overlooks this view that we had talked about. Look at this bathroom. This primary bathroom gets oohs and ahs all day long. They've got an outdoor shower. And then you go upstairs and you still have a couple more bedrooms, and you have this play area for the kids. There's another little bar area. And look at this huge, massive flex space. Oh, look, you even have your own movie theater room. And so, like I said, extra bedrooms, absolutely gorgeous. You don't want to miss 312 Acadia. The asking price is $2,774,000. Remodeled. It's got a cool 3-car garage, 2-car garage on one side, 1-car garage on the other side. This house has got it all, and it is available. And so I definitely wanted to show you that listing of ours. So in Celebration, we are known for having different villages. And so the closer you get to the main village, usually the prices start to skyrocket. That, or if you're over in the Acadia section, which is all estates, that is over in North Village. But the main village, you can walk from your home to multiple incredible restaurants. If you hadn't gotten a chance to check our recent video out that we did, that, you know, Orlando is the #1 foodie city in the whole country. The #1 foodie city in the whole country. So please go to Near Disney YouTube channel and check that out, because in that means Celebration's restaurants, which are the Downtown Diner, incredible, the Tavern, Celebration Town Tavern, the Reggiano's Italian restaurant. There is a Japanese sushi area. There's Columbia restaurant. There's Thai. There's a deli. There's Mexican. There is everything you can think of is available within walking distance to downtown Celebration. So a lot of European people will talk about, where's your town square? Well, in this town of Celebration, 404 Sycamore is one of the larger ones in downtown Celebration, and it's on a side street where you don't get as much traffic. But look, it's a double porch home on a corner lot. Double porch home on a corner lot. It's got a very coastal feel. Look at what the owners have done to the inside of this house. It just has this beautiful cottage feel, and there's so many stories. It's owned by a famous author, and there's wonderful mantels on these fireplaces that came from historic homes. The stairwells, the dining room, you're going to walk into the home, you're going to see to the left a very lovely dining room. Right has more of a sitting room. And of course, with the famous author, they have custom library in here. And this is one of the largest family rooms that I've seen in Celebration. Like I said, with this house, you've got 4,150 square feet total. See what I mean? Spacious, light, airy, coastal, fun. Just tells a story. They even have a book on Celebration open up there. And this kitchen is one of the nicer ones in Celebration. The colors of the cabinetry are very modern, or coastal, I would say, but very magazine worthy right now, very high end. They have, a very cool antique looking sink with faucet in the laundry room. That was Main Village, 4,150 square feet. And the price point on it is $1,677,500. Now that I think about it, I do want to make sure, let's see, I got to make sure you see, because I was talking about themed rooms. They actually have, yes, check this out. They have an Alice in Wonderland room here. Alice in Wonderland room. Door goes out to that double balcony that we had referenced. And that is definitely 404 Sycamore Street, and that's my second pick for Celebration. Let's go and see what else we're going to find for everybody right now. We have a listing back in the Artisan Park area, and we have a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo that also has its own garage. It's $450,000. The square footage is 1345 with a garage and a balcony. Here's your family room. The family room, here we see it. Yes. See, the ceiling fan is large enough. This is a family room, and they've done some textured backing for where you would put your TV, large TV here. Kitchen, you can see that the flooring is upgraded. So to have 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, close to 1,400 square feet, and a garage and a balcony. I want to make sure I get to show you the balcony as well. And you literally are about 1 block away from the Artisan Park Clubhouse. So this one will not last very long. It will not last very long at all. And we're going to talk about Georgetown. And this one is a very nice one that's been remodeled. It's 239 Longview Avenue. It's unit 214. So this would be 2 bedrooms. And I want to show you the inside so you can see just how pretty it is. We've got new flooring, and kind of shows you the kitchen a little bit. Stainless steel appliances. You've got a washer dryer up there. Like I said, 2 bedrooms, 2 bath. They have put some blue carpeting in the bedroom. Some people will love that. Some people won't. I love it. But obviously, if somebody needed a carpet allowance for a different color, we can definitely talk about that. But the nice thing is that there's doors that open up out to your balcony from both of the bedrooms. So, yes. And like I said, the big news is that the price point is $375,000. So that is much lower. So we've gone from $375,000 all the way up to $2,774,000. And that, my friends, would be my top 4 picks to honor my mom and to tell everybody that those are our listings that we wanted to talk about today. In a couple of weeks, of course, I'm going to go back to picking listings, my favorites from all different other realtors. But for this week, especially knowing I always like to get permission from the other realtors with my time that I have, I want to make sure I get to spend a lot of time with my dad and my brother and my family, and celebrate my mom this week. So we wanted to put this package together for you this Friday, and just want to say thank you again, once again, for all the beautiful wishes that everybody's been sending. And if we can ever help you with any real estate needs, you can call 1-800-KIM-HAWK, 1-800-KIM-HAWK, And then on Mondays, we do a show specifically for celebration people. You're more than welcome to check into the Near Disney YouTube channel and look for the live show. That's on Mondays at 7 p.m. typically. And then on Wednesday nights, my Realtor Dream Team, they are fabulous. They do a show that concentrates on Central Florida's marketplace. And they're doing everything 25-mile radius around Cinderella's castle. We've got lots of great advice on how to get interest rates bought down, or possibly there's new construction where we've got a lot of new construction people out there that are willing to get that interest rate down for you low as well. And of course, we have incredible contractors that we work with, Sandro and his team. They're doing beautiful things, putting pools in where people were told it was going to be 2 years before they could get a pool in, and he's getting it in within 3 months or so, or putting bathrooms where you thought you never could put a bathroom. And so we will help you any way we can, and just hope that you have a blessed October. The weather's feeling a lot better. And thank you again for watching our Near Disney. I'm Kim Hawk, the fairy godmother of real estate. God bless you guys. Bye-bye.
Make sure that you subscribe and like so that we can continue to give you up-to-date information on all things that are going around the 25-mile radius of Cinderella's castle, because this is truly a magical place to live.